In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best car cleaning products. So let's get started. Number 7. Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal. This kit features a variety of items to clean and maintain your vehicle, including a foam gun that attaches to a standard water hose. It also has wax, glass cleaner, speed wipe detailer, wheel and rim cleaner, silk shine sprayable dressing, a dirt trap funnel, a bucket, microfiber wash mitt, brush, microfiber towels, and an applicator. The foam blaster works well and quickly covers your car in shampoo, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach spaces. The quick disconnect on the sprayer features good quality brass fittings. The microfiber towels are perfect for the windows and do not leave any streaks behind. Overall, this kit provides just about everything you need to wash and detail your car and is perfect for beginners. However, the foam blaster can take longer to use than a high-pressure washer. Number 6. Shine Armor Car Interior Cleaner. Shine Armor's all-purpose interior cleaner cleans dirt and dust off most surfaces inside your vehicle's cabin, such as leather, fabric, vinyl, and cloth. It also works on floor mats, carpet, and headliners and features UV protection and anti-static properties to prevent dust from building up. The spray is simple to use and easily wipes away dust and dirt. It doesn't feel greasy and has a nice lemon scent that makes your vehicle smell fresh. The best thing about this product is that it doesn't take long for it to work, and it's very effective. In addition, a little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts a long time. One drawback is the cleaner is a little expensive. Number 5. Carguys Super Cleaner. The Carguys Super Cleaner cleans a variety of surfaces, including leather, vinyl, carpet, upholstery, plastic, and rubber. The formula uses nanotechnology to remove dirt and grime. Instead of investing in multiple products to clean multiple surfaces, you can use this one 18-ounce bottle to do it all. The Super Cleaner can be used on everything from the dashboard to the floor mats. It also removes bugs, sap, and tar from your vehicle's finish. You can use it on both the interior or exterior of your vehicle, except on glass surfaces. Users like that it removes built-up grime, and overall does a great job of spiffing up your vehicle inside and out. In addition, Carguys backs up all of its products with a 100% risk-free guarantee if you're not satisfied. Number 4. Mother's California Gold. You apply Mother's California Gold Instant Detailer after you've polished and waxed your vehicle. This instant detailer helps to keep your car's finish looking new, or nearly so. It removes dust, fingerprints, and smudges, so your car has that showroom shine so many people want. This detailer also removes minor imperfections. It uses color enhancers and special fortifiers to bring out the best in your vehicle's finish. The product is easy to use and involves spraying the product and applying and removing it with microfiber cloths. The spray trigger emits a fine mist, and it wipes off easily. The more you use it, the better it is for your vehicle. The best thing about it? The low price. One drawback is that some users don't like the smell of the product. Number 3. Touchless Sealant 303. Waxing your car with traditional paste wax can be a long and tedious process. If you want the protection and shine of wax within minutes, 303 Touchless can provide it. The spray uses ASiO2, silicon dioxide, base to create a hydrophobic and UV barrier on paint, and it's also safe to use on windows and wheels. It made my car shiny, smooth, and repelled water longer than other waxes I've used. Number 2. Brush Hero. Described as the ultimate detail brush, the Brush Hero is perfect for cleaning car parts, most specifically tough-to-reach areas like wheels. It features a rotating brush head that is powered entirely by water pressure from a standard garden hose. I recently had the opportunity to try it out and experienced amazing results. Number 1. Turtle Wax 50736. Almost all modern cars have plastic headlight covers that get dull over time. Not only do they start to look bad, but they can also drastically reduce your headlight output. The Turtle Wax Headlight Cleaner and Scrub Daddy Restoration Kit can bring your plastic lenses to like new condition, improving your car's appearance and your visibility.